You can use a wood router if you want to hollow out or route out a portion on the surface of a workpiece. As this job is carried out mostly in wood, the router used is known as a wood router. You should have no doubts that the wood router is one of the top-notch inventions for the working men. If you have one of the best wood routers, then your task will be more comfortable and enjoyable. There are many products available to choose the best wood routers for woodworking project, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best wood routers for woodworking project for you from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. DeWalt DWP611PK 1.25 HP Max Torque Variable Speed Compact Router. One of the best in the business, DeWalt DWP611PK is undoubtedly a master-class wood router. If you go for a combo kit, you can find your needs, all combined into one package. It can manage a wide range of applications and tasks that include small cutting bevels to vast profile edges and extensive flush trim. Moreover, the intense 1 to 1/4 of a horsepower motor comes with double LED lightings for the sake of the ease of working. It comes in both plunge and fixed bases, but if the user wants, he or she can opt for a fixed-based one only. The adjustment ring will give you depth changes up to 1/64 in a controlled way. Having a soft starting motor translates into the maintenance of motor speed through the cut. Supplied with wrench, standard fixed base, operating manual, and LEDs in the box, the DeWalt DWP611PK compact wood router comes with 3 years limited warranty. All the wood router reviews make it a top-notch choice for you that you can keep for your tasks. The speed of this motor is variable and allows changing a bit when it is required. So, you don't need to change the settings manually whenever you are doing your cutting task. You can switch motor speed among 17,000 and 27,000 revolutions per minute for different purposes. Number 2. Bosch 1617 EVSPK 12 amp 2-1/4 horsepower plunge and fixed base variable speed router. If you are looking for a versatile good wood router from our wood routers reviews, then Bosch 1617 EVSPK might be the right choice for you. It is a plunge and fixed base variable speed router kit which consists of enhanced speed control mechanics, a powerful motor, accuracy bases and many other exciting features. That will come in handy for you to get the task in hand completed in an accurate and fast way. Having 2.25 horsepower to drive the 12 amp motor with the RPM range of 8,25000, Bosch is a powerful machine. When it is under load, the constant response circuit maintains continuous speed. This double insulated router has a fixed base with holes threaded to mount router tables. To keep your safety, the power switch is dust sealed. To make it easier for you to carry all the included items, it has compartments with a rugged carrying case. Both of the 1/2 and 1/4 collet chucks have self-releasing features. The router kit has a fixed base and the plunge is electronic and variable, fixed base router kit, soft start, micro-fine depth adjustments. The power of the router is 2-1/4 horsepower and produces speeds of 8,000 to 25,000 revolutions per minute. Number 3. DeWalt DWP611.25 HP Max Torque Variable Speed Compact Router. Weighing only 5.5 pounds, DeWalt DWP611 provides excellent visibility, control, and performance. The applications it can operate range from cutting small bevels to trimming heavy flush. Powered by alternating current, AC, the voltage of 120 volts and the powerful 1.25 horsepower motor is strong enough to deal with most operations. The dual LED lights make the job more conveniently done. Initially built in Mexico, DeWalt DWP611 has excellent wood router reviews. It combines ergonomic attributes, comfort, power, and innovative design all together into a machine that delivers superior control, visibility, and total performance. The dual LED lights present in the fixed base and the clear sub-base enables the user to have maximum visibility while using the DeWalt DWP611. The variable speed control can assist the user in managing the speed of the device according to the requirements of the task in an effective way. The sub-base is in the shape of a D, which offers more stability, strength, and flatness when you are running edge profiles. The motor is strong and long-lasting. It produces 1.25 horsepower that helps to finish a tough job with ease. Number 4. DeWalt DW618B 312A 2-1/4 horsepower plunge base and fixed base. DeWalt has its reputation for making the tools for professionals and beginners. Most of the professionals have used DeWalt tools once in life. It's not a surprising fact if some professionals only use DeWalt tools for their application tasks. Now, moving to our DeWalt plunge base and fixed base wood router, which can meet with all the needs of your routing. This DeWalt wood router has especially the 3 bases to handle to let you do multiple tasks. If you're a professional person, then this one is just perfect for you. Its fixed base, plunge base, and D-handle base offer the best handling with accuracy. Some people have confusion about the D-handle mechanism. Well, D-handle combines the trigger functionality with the locking mechanism. A wood router's motor power is the most important part as the whole efficiency depends on the motor's power capacity. If you need routing a big wood, then the power capacity must be checked. There is nothing to worry about this DeWalt DW618B3's motor power as it comes with 2.25 HP 12 amp. So, you get the variable speed with the maximum power capacity. Hence, you can conveniently do the other substantial woodwork. It has a unique dust collection system that collects all the dust during the operation and ensures maximum work efficiency. Number 5. Makita RT0701C 1-1/4 HP Compact Router. All those beginners out there are going to love this Makita RT0701C. It is one of the most convenient and easy to use wood routers. People who don't know how to use the router machine to chop wood are going to love this. Its 1 to 1/4 of a horsepower motor with a variable speed controlling ensures the maximum power capacity. There is an additional feature that enables you to enjoy the same speed control under load. That means you will get a soft start feature for smooth startups. It's one of the most durable wood routers for your needs. This RT0701C is constructed with a heavy-duty aluminium motor housing that lets you do the toughest wood routing with no fear of breakage. One of the best perks of this router is its design. This has the slimmest design of all wood routers. It only weighs 3.9 pounds. Its durable flat design allows you to move it quickly. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product's price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.